everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I thought today we would do a 1 month review on the hair I got a month ago from Queen Weave Beauty. So if you guys remember, I got a bundle of 22, 20 and 18 inches from them, and also the texture is light Yaki hair. So if you guys remember, this is how it looks like. You guys remember how well it blended with my natural hair. So I did a traditional sew-in with a middle part, but right now I just kind of did a little bit of a side part just to do something different today, so you guys can see it was really versatile and it still blends really well. So what did I do to maintain this hair? So all I did was basically just wash the hair. I just wash it once in a while. I did wash my leave out, and once I did wash my leave out and my whole head. Honestly, once you wash the hair, it really keeps it fresh and keeps it fluffy. Honestly, I'm not someone who puts a lot of products in my own hair or even my extensions, so the hair stayed really well. Obviously, it gets a bit greasy because, you know, when you're touching your hair all the time, it does get a bit like greasy, but it was really nothing crazy, if I can say it like this. The last time I washed my hair, I just use a gentle shampoo. I try not to use anything with too much protein because it will just break the extensions. You don't want to do that for any extensions that you get. So all I did after that, I just dried out my leave out, which took like maybe 5 minutes, and then I dried my scalp because obviously you want your scalp to be dried, and the rest of the hair I just let it air dry. It dried really fast. Once it's air dried, honestly, like, I think I washed my hair like pretty like dinner time, and by the time I went to bed like at 10 o'clock it was already fully dried. It just maintains itself. Honestly, the hair is really amazing. All I did after that to maintain my scalp, I just used like something like this. This one is Versailles. It's like a scalp serum, just because sometimes, you know, it gets itchy, so I put a little bit on my tracks just to anti-itchiness serum for your hair. If you have that, it really helps. And after that, all I do basically is just wrap my hair, go to bed. The next morning I just unwrap it and the hair is good to go. For the last month, what I've noticed is that the hair doesn't tangle at all. I think this is the part where I'm most impressed about. It just doesn't tangle. After washing it, it did not tangle, and also during the day, it did not tangle. The hair does not shed. I did have a bit more shedding than like from the beginning, the initial review. Honestly, it's really minimal. Obviously, when I brush it, there's like maybe a few strands. I would say like maybe 5 strands. Sometimes when I run my hair through, it does shed a little bit, but honestly, like, you see, it's like I have this that just came out and that's it. It's mostly like just a bit of breakage here and there, like maybe the ends a little bit, but it's so minimal. I don't even know what I'm mentioning it. I feel like it's pretty normal shedding. The hair also doesn't matte at all. One thing about me, when I do wear like wigs or anything, my hair always mattes at the back of my neck, like right here, and I'm really impressed with this sew-in. I'm really impressed with this hair. It just doesn't matte at all. It doesn't tangle. Even if there's a small tangle, I can just go like this and it just untangles by itself. I just run my hands and it's fine. Like, it's really nothing to think about. I think my hair tangles even more than my extensions. And also from the first month, it kept all of the thickness from the beginning. You guys can see, obviously the hair is curly now, so there's a lot of volume, but it's still the same amount. Nothing crazy. Like I said, it doesn't shed, so all the thickness is still the same. Everything is still the same from a month ago. Like, I have nothing bad to say about this part of the hair. I have nothing bad to say, period. It's also really low maintenance, so everything that happens, even if there's a tangle, like I said, or it sheds a little bit, it just resolves by itself. It's like really nice. Also, if you guys remember, I did color the hair. I did use a number 1 because you guys know right now I'm jet black and I'm loving it. Yeah, after washing it, it kept the shine, it kept the color. Obviously my white hair are coming out a little bit, but as for the extensions, it's still really shiny. As you can see, it's still really black. As you can see, it kept the shine, and like I said, I don't put a lot of products, so this is just the hair and the color together. That is all. I don't put hairspray in my hair. I know I curl my hair, but I didn't put hairspray. I don't really put products. I really keep it to a minimal. It really took the color really well. And yeah, I'm really happy about that part. And as you can see, today I curled my hair In the last video, I curled my hair with a curler, and this time I curl it with one, which is this one. You guys have seen me use this curler, this one, like a million times. I really love the kind of curls that it gives me. This is what it's giving me. Just a reminder, when I curled it with a curler, a 1-inch curler like this one, it did hold the curl really, really well. If you want to go back and watch the video, I'll link it down below. Obviously, it did curl the hair really, really well. From the I think I curled it in the morning, in the afternoon, even dinner time, it was still curly. It gives you like a nice bounce. It gives you like a really nice blow dry effect. This time I just wanted to use this curler, the one curler, this one here, because I wanted a different kind of curl, and I wanted to be like, you guys know this is more like my signature style. I like a curl that's more like wavy, that gives a lot of body. It almost looks like it's my natural curl pattern, and I find that with this curler it holds the curl even better. I curled my hair the night before, like I curled my hair yesterday in the afternoon. I wrapped it, put a bonnet on. Today I did my makeup, I took out the bonnet. Obviously there's a few strands here and there that you have to kind of like refresh, especially like the front part, maybe the bottom part, but you guys can see the hair stayed really, really well. It kept the volume. I don't put any hairspray, like I said, and this is just how the hair is looking like. So in the end, would I recommend this hair? Obviously I would recommend this hair. Honestly, I have nothing bad to say about the hair. I've been wearing it for a month like straight. I've done everything that you can do with the hair. I washed it, I straightened it, I curled it, I recurled it, I did everything. The hair is just so nice. You just wash it, refresh it, and it just goes back to its natural state. It's so easy to maintain. I just wrap it. Even sometimes, I have to be honest, I'm kind of lazy. I don't wrap it. Like, let's say I take a nap or whatever. Even sometimes at night, I was just like, I was too tired. I didn't wrap my hair. The next day, it was still nice. It still looked good. You just have to brush it, and then it's fine. Like, it's good. I'm really happy with this hair. It's just, I really like it. I'm obviously going to, like, whenever I take the hair down, I'm obviously gonna redo it on the sew-in. I'm so happy with my experience, honestly. It was my first sew-in, like I said, and I really like it. I actually really love it. It's just, like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really lazy when it comes to my hair. I do my hair, but like, I'm really lazy when it comes to my hair, and this hair is just a dream. It's really just a dream. It's like, I put it on and it just does it by itself, and I'm like, I'm happy, I'm good. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to comment down below. If you guys want to know any info, there's gonna be everything in the description box, like always. And don't be shy. If you guys have any questions, ask them. I will gladly answer them for you. And yeah, thank you to anybody who likes, comments, and subscribes, and I will see you next time, guys. Bye.